you using laser scans, drones, or photogrammetry for your infrastructure projects? Then here's one question. Are you getting the most value out of your reality capture data? Capturing millions of points is easy. Turning them into useful engineering information, that's where the real challenge begins. In this video, you'll discover a complete scan-to-design workflow using Autodesk solutions. You'll see how to transform raw scan data into accurate, intelligent, and design-ready information. We'll explore the latest capabilities of Recap Pro, including point cloud processing, photogrammetry, local mesh generation, and data preparation. Then we'll show you how to publish your data to Autodesk Construction Cloud, making it accessible to your entire team directly from a web browser. But that's just the beginning. You'll also discover AI-assisted feature extraction that can identify roads, rails, poles, and other infrastructure elements in just minutes, saving hours of manual work. Finally, you'll see how all this data flows seamlessly into Civil 3D, AutoCAD, Revit, InfraWorks, and even Twinmotion to accelerate design, visualization, and project delivery. If you're looking to streamline your reality capture workflow, reduce manual effort, and unlock the full value of your scan data, don't miss the full presentation. If this topic connects to your current priorities, your Autodesk contact can help you take the next step, from sharing more detailed content to setting up a focused discussion with our team.